Alright guys, welcome back to Jamaica Is A Series. Today's video is going to be about me making banana fritters, okay? Banana fritters, here are the bananas, 3.
And people, the reason why the banana looks so are because it needs to look like this for you make banana fritters. You can't have like a ripe, or a green one. Have to be overripe
to make the fritters. So I'm gonna teach you guys that today, and hopefully you guys can try it out. I'm peeling the bananas right now. See how they look? Well ripe. Okay.
Let me take another look in there.
That's 1. You can use as many bananas if you want to, as long as they are, overripe and you feel like you want to throw them out. Instead of throwing them out, you can just make some banana fritters with them.
I like to hear, Mom. I like to hear.
Thank you. Katie did that.
So she's crushing the bananas now, because you have to crush it.
Right.
And use just any fork can do. Any fork can do with crushing it out, people.
If you notice, guys, I have my setup here, my vanilla, almond, my cinnamon powder, my nutmeg powder, flour, and I'm gonna get my sugar and milk. I'm gonna pour milk in. I don't measure the milk, guys. I pour enough to use the amount of flour that I want to use. You will see how it turns out. Now I'm gonna add my vanilla. As we told you, we don't measure anything.
It's like a tip of vanilla in there.
A tip of almond.
Tip of almond in there. And as we tell you, we are picking at the place, so them just can't behave themselves.
A little tip of cinnamon.
Alright.
And a little tip of my nutmeg. And a pinch of salt. Mix it around, mix the ingredients in.
People, if you can't smell it, it smells so good already. Man, you can just smell out the vanilla in my nose and the almond and the nutmeg. I love nutmeg, it smells so good, people.
Here's my sugar now. See, I told you we don't use measurements, so when I'm done, I'll taste the contents to make sure it's sweet enough. Add my sugar, stir. And now I'm gonna add my flour. Don't have to do measurement of the flour either, for me, as a Jamaican woman. See? Alright. This is a nice little breakfast in the mornings if you have bananas that are overripe and you want to throw them out. Yeah. You have kids, you just do this. They love it.
We don't like wasting food, people.
No, we don't.
Yeah, the consistency, she'll show you. But you just mix that for a little while till your ingredients then blend together properly and it start looking very nice. Oh, so that's how she tests the consistency, people.
Yeah. Now I'm going to put a little bit in my hand and taste.
She's going to taste it.
Can take a little bit more sugar.
God have mercy. People, enough sugar go in there, man. Alright.
That should be fine now.
So you see the consistency, people, it looks smooth and everything just blends together and look, I'm showing you. You see it drop off of the fork? I saw it drop off of the fork, not too much. If it's too runny, it's not gonna come out good. And if it's too thick, it's not gonna come out good. So you gotta make sure the consistency is there and it falls off the fork like that, right? So when you watch this, make sure when you do it, you take up your fork and you drop it down like this to make sure that it's okay.
Guys, I'm getting everything ready. I got my plate with my paper towels in it because when you're frying banana fritters, you have to do it in a lot of oil, like deep fry. So when you take it out, you put it on the paper towel so it gets off some of the grease that's on it.
So mommy there here, she's getting ready to put it in the oil. And what oil you use? She use canola oil.
Right. Best oil to use for that.
All right. Not olive oil, people. We use olive oil too, but you don't use olive oil to fry.
For this, no. And that's about the amount of oil you put in.
Okay.
And you have to make this oil very hot.
All right, so people, we have to turn on the fan because we don't want our house to smell like food. I don't like the food smell at all. So we always turn that on. So mommy, what are you about to do now?
I'm about to start putting the consistency in, you know, a spoon by spoon. Use a spoon and put it in, you know, because the oil should be ready for it now.
Yeah, mommy
So
mean
this is
contents,
the amount,
people.
the
Mommy mean
content.
content.
There you go. One right there. You know
About
the
half
oil
a
is
spoon?
hot because, yeah, because it start bubbling up, so you know. Now guys, I'm just gonna lift them up to see if they are ready to turn. No, that one's not ready. They're not ready.
How you know when it's ready to be turned over? How you know?
Sweetheart, it's a Jamaican thing. You just know.
People,
You
let me
know.
tell you how you know. It's not just know. They have to be golden brown. When you lift it up and it looks golden brown, it's time to turn over.
And I'm gonna test it again, but I don't really see. You can make it be like that. I hope my people are watching, you know, because we know how to do it. Being in America, there's a lot of you know, Americans that don't really know about this stuff. So it's nice when you can tell them what to do. As I said, even if you have one ripe banana, you can crush it and use it. I'm gonna start turning again because some should be ready to be turned over now. See? Yes. Yeah. This one's not ready, but the others are. Yes.
It's in there.
Yes, it's getting there. I'm gonna put another one in now because those are soon be able to come out. And as my daughter said, I should do them small so that they can share. Because let me tell you something, people. When I make this, by the time I'm ready to heat one, they're all gone.
That is true,
Just saying.
people.
All gone. Okay guys, so now I'm getting ready to take out the ones that are ready. Here we go.
Alright, that Mr. Man is ready.
That one's ready.
Oh, look at it, people. Mommy tend to clean as she's cooking. I'm gonna do them something. Me clean up right after I'm done.
Guys, I was raised that way. I started cooking at 9, so
You see the shade, people. She was raised that way like she not raised me. Oh, no, sir.
now I'm gonna turn again. Yeah. I'm gonna be turning again, people. You know, I have to make sure. Don't want to put them in and they stay there and burn. You know, so they're not ready to take out yet, but they go in. See, almost. Here we go again, people. I'm gonna be testing to take out. And unfortunately, yes, they are almost there. There you go, almost there. This smell all the spices in there. It
Yeah.
smells so good.
It's a pity people that you can't smell, man, because it smells good. You just can't smell it.
Alright.
Like if you smell the contents of this, people, you eat it by itself, right?
Right, just
And
without
this-
the bit down.
Tastes really good.
So here we go now. Take out another one. Yeah. Plate a little closer.
Yes, so mommy put on eggs while I was busy doing something else. Thank you, mommy, for the continuity issues. So I gotta point that out.
Okay guys, so
Alright.
this is the finished product.
See the people, see the 3 banana and it make all this stuff. Right, mommy? 3 bananas.
Yes, 3 bananas, and this is what I got.
Yes, a lot.
A
man.
lot. But it's never too much for my family, because I'm telling you, I'm done this right now and I go sit down and then 5 minutes after there's none.
Yes, the greedy people that are in the household eat it up, people.
This is a finished product, and I hope you guys learned something from this, that you can also make it for your family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hit us up in the next one.
Yes, people, thank you for watching Jamaica Is A Series. Make sure you come back next time, right, mommy?
Yes, for something else.
All right.